One AI book can change your life. Now that might sound a bit dramatic, but it's actually the case with me. All right, I'm Jace Perry, by the way. Nice to meet you. Welcome to my channel. This one AI book you're looking at here that made me $33,000, or probably more than that, in December. This changed my life because just before this book was building up. Imagine it was making me cash flow. I left the UK about 2 months before that. It was on the strength of this one book because this book was doing so well. It gave me the confidence to leave UK, and I now live in Mauritius. Some might say that's a dumb decision, just leaving a country based on one book, but that's it. It's because of the cash flow. The cash flow was there. The promise of even more cash flow was there. It gave me the confidence to leave. Now, I'm not saying just create an AI book and leave your country or do anything crazy like that, but a lot of the guys in my program, the beginners I deal with, just getting an AI book to make them $1,000 every single month is life-changing for them. If you think about it in your personal circumstances, what would an extra $1,000 coming in every single month on autopilot do for you? Could help with the rent, could help with shopping. I know when I first started self-publishing, I just wanted a bit of money to pay for shopping. And that was great, just the $200-300 to start with. It's a great start because this is money on top of what you're already doing, right? And that's the good thing about this is you put in the work once. That's a little clock, by the way. You put in the work once. If you do everything right, then this you traded the time in once, but this money just keeps coming, and you've only traded in the time once. That's the great thing about doing AI books. Now, when I talk about AI books, most people think that you have to be a writer first of all. You have to create loads of pages with valuable content. And these people that come on to do self-publishing and don't sell any books, it's because they're focusing on the parts that don't actually make sales. The parts that do make sales, if you think about it, let's just think about it in a very, very simple way, is first of all, we need someone that has got the money to pay you this $1,000 a month. And when I mean someone, I don't mean just one person. Just think of a customer type. Like say this is a dad or a mum or a senior man or a senior woman. That customer type, okay? Firstly, they got to have money to be paying you $1,000 every single month. And thankfully, because of Amazon is massive, the money on there, the potential on there is huge. It's not actually that hard to find this person. But most people don't even look. So they're not even going to find that person to pay. Okay, so that's the first thing that needs to be done. The second thing is when this customer, just think of it like this, when this customer has got all this money, is going to buy your book, do you think they're even seeing all of this? Or are they seeing this? They're seeing the cover and title, right? The inside of the book, most buyers won't even see until they've bought it. And I've done this countless times. I was an avid book collector in the UK. I would buy books. It would sit on my shelf for months. I didn't even know I had that bloody book. I bought it because of the title and cover. Okay, the perceived value. Okay, and that comes down to mostly it's the title and cover. There are a few more things, but let's just talk about title and cover because I think if you just nail the title and cover, in fact, no, I don't think, I know because this strategy is worked for me, it's working for my students. I know that if you just nail the title and cover, that is enough to make you that $1,000, provided you've got a customer that will pay you that $1,000. And I've got even more good news for you. Is thanks to AI now, you need absolutely zero design skills to create the title and cover. Okay, the only skills you do know is just knowing what type of title, what type of cover sells to that specific customer. That's a skill that you learn along the way. I've got a step-by-step to help you below if you want, links below. But to actually design the cover, the bit that used to take hours, sometimes days, sometimes like a week or two to get a really good best-selling cover, done in AI in literally minutes now. So the battlefield is leveled. Now's a great time to just get onto Amazon. So to round this all up, if you want to make, I wouldn't say life-changing money, but money that could potentially change your life in a positive way, just do AI books, focus on getting a good customer, focus on just the title and cover. That's enough to get you to that for at least $1,000 a month. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.